Hello, today we are going to talk about coral and Zooxanthellae. So, let's begin. The sea is used to be really beautiful and healthy, but humans make it dirty and our world has to face global warming, and it causes the broken off relationship between the coral and the Zooxanthellae. Corals are marine invertebrates within the class Anthozoa of the phylum Nidalee. The hard skeleton of coral is formed by the secretion of calcium carbonate by the polyp. The cup-like skeleton deposited by an individual polyp is called corallite. Polyps gather food particles with the nematocytes in their tentacles and feed from sugars produced by photosynthesizing Zooxanthellae.
In normal conditions, corals and algae live a life of support until when the environment in the sea has changed or in inappropriate conditions such as rising sea temperatures, water salinities. Zooxanthellae will leave the coral to survive, resulting in revealing the white color of limestone structure that lie inside, also known as coral bleaching. However, the loss of Zooxanthellae is not the only result of the colors that used to be beautiful has changed. It also means that the nutrients of coral has been reduced. But if the environment has changed and returned to normal during the first period, Zooxanthellae will return to live in the coral reef as usual, resulting in coral reef and returning to normal life again. But if the environment has changed for a long time, corals will begin to weaken and eventually die.
The bleaching process also affected by global warming because the global warming will rise the sea temperature, and when the water temperature has been rising, the Zooxanthellae will leave their host or they will die. Then the coral cannot live without them. Nowadays, people start to care about global warming, and to solve global warming, we can lower the greenhouse gases or lower the use of fuels such as coal, petroleum, or natural gases, something like that. And by doing that, we might be able to lower the amount of greenhouse gas that cause the greenhouse effect. If we can invent some technology that can lower the water temperature, then we can stop the bleaching effect at the coral reef. Then, after we take care of the global warming problem, the Zooxanthellae will stay at their host, in this case I mean the coral, and then we can solve the bleaching problem.